going on, future entrepreneurs? I'm back. Today we're going to get into a little bit of ClickBank and my Legion secret. If you're new, go ahead and give me the LNS special. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, comment down below, share this video, do all of those things if you like what I'm putting out. Even comment down below if you like, if you don't like, it doesn't matter. Just comment down below, let me know how you feel about these videos. It's HY, well not HY, people in the ClickBank series. And as you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor. I need you guys to seek financial help. If you want financial advice, I'm only here to show you guys what I'm doing and what I'm attempting to do to make a little bit of extra money on the side. I'm calling it a little bit of passive income. It's what I call it, because you don't need a lot of time and a lot of effort once you set it up. So I'm calling it passive income for me. So seek a CPA for professional help. I'm attempting to show you guys on my channel here what I'm doing with my money and how I'm attempting to multiply my money in different ways. If you want to read this disclaimer, come back, pause the video, read it from the top to the bottom, from the middle to the up to the down. That's up to you. Make sure you read it. Don't invest more money than you can afford to lose. Don't get payday loans. Don't use credit cards in these particular programs, any of these programs. Now back to the video. Today we're going to be doing My Legion Secret, and we're also going to be doing ClickBank, which is a series that I started about a month ago, which I've been making a sale about once a week, except for that 1 week. And what My Legion Secret is, for those of you who don't know, My Legion Secret is a site I pay monthly to get 200 leads per day. But I didn't start out with 200 leads per day. I started off with 100 leads per day when you first open the account. Another thing when you first open your account is you're going to pay $60 for your very first month. And then it's $30 a month after that. You may be asking yourself, why would I be willing to pay that? Because even at 100 leads a day, that's 3,000 leads per month. And after the first month, it's $30 per month, which you'll still be getting 6,000 leads per month once you get past the 100 leads per day, which they have set up. And how do you get past that? Is you pretty much just have to sign up someone under you. And what you can also do, which they do allow you to do, is you can sign up under yourself. And once you sign up under yourself, at midnight that very next day, you receive your 200 leads per day. And as you can see, I just logged in, and it's showing 200 leads today, 200 leads on yesterday, and the bonus leads pretty much the leads that I get at midnight. So if I go here, or if I go down, let me see, I forget which one it's on, because it's a page that shows you all of your leads, probably my leads. It shows that I have 200 leads, and it will appear in 13 hours and 4 minutes, which is going to be midnight, around the time of midnight when I get those leads. And as you can see, I've been getting them for a while now. So this account has a lot of leads in it because I've been in the system for a minute. This account here has 36,000 leads because I actually started. This was my first account that I had. I started with this account about a year ago, and I started back a couple months ago. So now it's built up to 36,500. I have multiple accounts, all I did was I went to the home page and I signed up under my own link for a couple times, and I have a combination of 5 accounts. So with those 5 accounts, 4 accounts earning 200 leads a day, which is 800 leads, and the last one is earning 100 leads a day, which is 900 leads a day. So at the end of 30 days, I'll be getting 27,000 leads total, and I'm paying $120 a month. $150 a month for all those accounts. I want you to do the math and tell me how much each one of those leads cost. And if you were to do it another way, how much would you have to pay to get that? How many leads would you get for $150 a month? Or either, what you think those leads are worth? Now, some people may think those leads are worth it, that they're garbage and they're trash. I don't think so, because I've already seen the sales inside of my ClickBank account. Let me go ahead and log into that so I can show you guys the sales that I've made so far. And throughout the journey, I've made at least one sale every single week, except for 1 week where I didn't really do the strategy that I'm going to show you every single day for that week. I kind of fell off that week, and I have pretty much haven't since then. So I do have at least one sale per day. So right now, I don't have any sales going for this week. And what I'm going to do is just go down here and click on my username. So right now at the bottom, you saw I said 994. That's from my last. That's going to be whatever total I get in the next 30 days is going to be added to that. So as you can see on 6/7, the week of 6/7, that was an $11 payment, or I think $11 product that was bought. That was on June. It says on June the 2nd. Today is the 9th. So it's been 7 days since I've at least had another sale. And let me see if I can go. Well, I have to go back to the other page to show you in the last 30 days, just to show you guys a little bit of proof that I have been making sales over the last couple months. That the system does work, and I've only been using the My Legion secret leads to do this. So you can see there's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sales, and I don't really do anything special. All I do is send leads every day, and I also use the My Legion secret account to send those emails, to contact them through this process that I'm using. So I don't have to pay Aweber, I don't have to pay GetResponse to send emails, and my emails don't get flagged, which means something that the system is being abused or being used so much, it's been spammed so often that that the server that they're using or whatever method they're using to send out the emails will not be working. That also means that my emails are getting to the customers' inbox, to those lists that I'm showing you, to the list that's in My Legion secret. But this was a $12 sale. This was a $12 sale, and as you can see, it's just consistent sales. The only thing I'm waiting on to happen right now is to start getting multiple sales per day. That's the only thing I'm kind of waiting to happen. So I'm already at the 1 sale per week, and this is I would give this credit to because I had the account before, and now I'm up to 30,000 leads on one account, and every other account is kind of following suit behind that with leads in them as well. So what I'm going to do here is just show you guys my process and what I do to make these sales once a week. And it's also a process you can use. It's a long-term process, and I kind of picked up steam earlier with getting sales. You more than likely won't get as many sales in your first month because you don't have as many emails as I do. So it's going to take you a while to build up your email list, and it's also going to take a while for you to start getting sales, just to be upfront honest. So it may take you over a month before you get your first sale. You may get it the first month. It's really going to depend on how you do it. If you do it consistently, if you do it every day, that's going to play a part in that. So you're going to have to be consistent with this particular method. So let's go back here, and we're going to go to Marketplace after we get to this screen. And on Marketplace, that's pretty much where we're going to select the category. And there's so many different things. You can also try weight loss with these leads. I mean, most people use them for make money online, which there's so many ways you can use these leads. But I'm just testing ClickBank as of now, and I'm more likely going to change in the future with what offers I'm going to use, or maybe even I may go to weight loss, just try weight loss for a week, and I'm more likely going to use other platforms as well. So this is going to be a long-term series that I'm going to be bringing to you guys. Probably it's going to take a while to get to all of those sites, and it's going to take a while to get to some of those offers. But as you can see, I just clicked on the Gravity tab. You want to rank it by Gravity because the Gravity score is going to rank them for the offers that are getting the most amount of sales. So Gravity this one is one that I'm on right now, and all we do is click the affiliate page. It's going to show us exactly the emails we're going to send. You don't have to write any emails. You don't have to do anything but copy and paste. And when I said that in my title, it's 100% true. You come here on this after you get to this particular portion, and as you can see, there's 20 emails. So if you want, you can send that email a day for the next month and not be out of email for this particular offer. So you just copy this, and you would come to My Legion secret. You come to the mailing system. You will select all of your emails, and also there's when your account gets to 9,000 emails, you're going to be capped, and you have to send customer service a message. Just to send the customer service an email to let them know your account is not going past 9,000 emails when you select them, and they will unlock that for you. So you come here, and you would just, I don't know what that is, but it didn't copy. So let's go back. So you would copy that. You come back over here to the mailing system, which is My Legion secret, and you would paste in that. And then you would come back, and you would copy this, which is the body. Now I'm not going to use this one. I'm just using it as an example. There's a link down there. I'm going to show you how to get that as well. You come back to the body, and you Control A, and you delete that. Control V is in victory because I use Windows, and this is pretty much what you would do. You want to send it, you would come back up here, and you would change this where it says name. You would scroll up, and the brackets on first name are right here. You would just copy and paste that down below to replace the other one, to replace that on all of them that show like that with the word name. And then the only thing you would do after that is come down, and you would delete this and put your name there. And since it says hit this blue line in your confirm application, you would come back to ClickBank. You would click promote on the offer that you want to promote. Your username is normally there. If it isn't, you just type it in. You press create hyperlink. And before you do that, if you wanted to track where your leads are coming from, you can do MLGS 1 for account number 1, MLGS number 2, and press create hot link. And as you can see, it's showing MLGS 2, so you can kind of track which one of your accounts is getting you the majority of leads. I'm not tracking it that way because I already know that the system works. This is for someone who like a testing and they don't know if the system actually does work. Okay, I'm back. I talked to the wife for a second, but what you would do is come here and you would just copy this link. So this is going to be the link that if someone does decide to sign up, they would click that link, but it's not going to, the link looks kind of ugly from if you're looking at it. So we're going to come over here to the mailing system, and it's already copied. All we're going to do is come up here to where it looks like 2 chain links. We're going to click on that. It says link. If you hold it leave your mouse there for a second, and we're just going to paste that link right in here. So what that's going to do is highlight this, so when someone clicks on it, that's going to send that email directly to that person. When they click on it, you get the sale for that. Now, the way I do this is a little bit different. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to open up a new window. And I'm going to open up, because I already have mine ruled out. I mean, you can do it whichever way you want to. Some people just go straight to the site. I normally just write mine out. That way all I really have to do is copy and paste and do a couple of tweaks, and not as many if you just copy it directly from there. But that's if you have time to do that as well. Okay, so you can see that that one is done. And something else I can do is just come back and delete all the ones that are done. This one is done. This one is done. That one is done. So this one is next. So, and also what I can do is, another way I'm doing it kind of backwards on. You saw 20 emails on the page. I kind of went from 20 and I'm working my way back instead of going from 1 to 20 because I think I've used them already. So we're going to put hire remotely. It's going to replace what I normally do is I replace that first letter and make it capital on the subject line. That's normally what I do. I mean, you can copy and paste it exactly how it comes. It just depends on how you want to send it. And after that, I go back to my page, and you see, I already have it copied right there. So all I would do is have to come down and copy this email. And before I send it, let me make sure that I haven't sent it already. So how do you check that? You come here, hiring remote workers for your country, and you can just check right here. It'll show you your last, pretty much all of the emails with the subtitles, the subject lines, and the body. Would all it would do it was load this particular email, and so if I want to resend it, I can click it, and it'll just press load, and it'll load this from the subject line and also the body. So all you have to do is do that, press send. So it doesn't look like I've done that one already. Hire remote workers from your country. Let me check one more time. Nope. How to do less. Okay, so I'll go ahead and send this one. And just to show you guys how fast you can do this, I mean, it doesn't take a lot of time to do this. You can do it in the morning before you go to work. You can do it in the evening, or I don't know if you can do it from your mobile device. I hadn't figured that out just yet. So what I'm going to do is copy it. What I did is I copied and I pasted my my link right there. So here it is right here. Hit the blue line, and there's that. And all I'll do is paste that in there. Hit OK. Put my name down here since it's not there, and I just put my first name. And what I normally do is hit perfect time. I just make sure your email is sent at the perfect time for that particular person to open the email. Press send email. And it's like I forgot something. Images are only okay, so it's not going to send it. So that's something else you can look at. If you try to put an emoji in, or if you try to put in an image, you got to do something a little bit different. So it's recognized my emoji as an image. So what I do while at it is sending. I go here and I go to log out. I right click and I open a new tab, and I get this next section ready. Log in while that is sending, and by the time I get finished with this, it should be already done. I will come to my mailing system, select all my emails. Now my second account is 13,200 emails, which is still quite a bit amount of emails. And all I'm going to do is copy and paste since I already have it here, copy and paste from this particular tab. Control C to copy, and then we're going to just paste it in here. I wish there was a way once I did it I can just copy and load it. That would work a lot faster, but it's not going to happen. Let's see. See, it's not there, so it's not going to show just yet. It's not showing just yet, so you're just going to have to copy and paste it. come down here. We're going to go back. Then we click in here, we highlight it, then we would copy it and go right back to this one. And we would highlight it, delete it, and then paste that in there, press perfect timing, and then press send email. And after this email, all we do is log out and log back in to the next account. So as you can see at the bottom is a timer. So you can only send one email a day, which I think is a pretty good thing. So you don't have people that spam in the system. So now this one's done. What I would do once that is done is I would log out and I would log back in with the next account, and I will continue to do that until I am done. As you can see, these are my 5 accounts. So I'm going to C. Williams number 2, log into that one. And all we're going to do is just repeat the process. And that's all we're going to do every single day. And if I wasn't making these videos, it would go a lot faster. It wouldn't take me 15 minutes to do this. I mean, it shouldn't take you 15 to 20 minutes to do this a day. It's just me making the video. It's pretty much showing you what to do. So it's taking a while to show this because I'm showing where you get the emails from and where you're getting all the other stuff from. So it takes a little longer. So it shouldn't take as much as 10 minutes a day. It'll probably take less than that once you have everything set up. And just like that, guys, pretty much this is what I'm calling passive income, because all I'm doing is copying and I'm pasting, and it doesn't really take a lot of time to do this. Come back down here, Control A, then Control C, and you come back, Control A here, you delete, and Control V. Come down, you press perfect time, and you press send. So as you can see, it's going a little bit faster since I'm just signing out, signing back in with my other account. And that's the process right there. That's it. That's all, guys. It's the Passive Income Trucker, showing you guys another way that you can make a little bit of passive income. It's going to take a little while to get there, as I've been saying throughout the video. It's not going to happen overnight. This is the process that's going to take a little bit of time. But like any business that you're going to make money with, it's not going to happen overnight. You're going to have to be patient. You're going to have to work it. You're going to have to be consistent. And that's pretty much it, guys. This is the Passive Income Trucker, just showing you guys another way to use passive income using ClickBank and My Lead Gen Secret. There will be a link down below with My Lead Gen Secret, or it may just take you directly if you want to use Linktree. I think it's in Linktree as well. If it's not a link, it's probably going to be in Linktree. But click the link to ClickBank is going to be down below if you want to sign up for that for free. I don't get paid if you sign up for ClickBank, but I will get paid if you sign up for the My Lead Gen Secret, because that is the affiliate link. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is the Passive Income Trucker. I'm out.